Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption on your iPhone. Playing this expansive console game on a mobile device is possible through cloud gaming. This technology streams the game from powerful servers directly to your phone screen. You will need a strong internet connection, ideally 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and a compatible Bluetooth controller for optimal performance. Several cloud gaming services enable this experience. Xbox Cloud Gaming lets you stream Red Dead Redemption 2 if you have an active game, pass Ultimate subscription, and own the game. NVIDIA GeForce Now provides access to your PC game library, including Red Dead Redemption, on your iPhone. Additionally, PlayStation Remote Play allows you to stream games directly from your own PlayStation console. Setting up your iPhone is straightforward. First, download the relevant cloud gaming app, like Xbox Game Pass or GeForce Now, from the App Store. Next, pair your preferred Bluetooth controller, such as an Xbox wireless controller or a PlayStation DualSense, with your iPhone. Finally, ensure your device has ample battery or is plugged in for uninterrupted gaming sessions. To get the best possible experience, optimize your setup. Always use the fastest internet connection available, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network with speeds exceeding 100 megabits per second. Close any unnecessary background applications on your iPhone to dedicate more resources to the game. For enhanced comfort during long sessions, consider using a phone clip to mount your device directly onto your controller.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.